Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create your own quiz game on the Kahoot mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Kahoot app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the create button at the bottom right. After that, tap on blank canvas. Now give your game a title like science quiz. You can also write a description and choose a fun cover image. Next, tap on add question. Choose the quiz type. Most people use quiz for multiple choices. Tap a question, then fill in answers option below. Tap the check mark next to the correct answer. You can also change the time limit and set how many points each question is worth. Once you have added all your questions, tap down in the top right corner. Now tap save or publish. You can make your own Kahoot public or keep it private, it's up to you. And that's it, you have just created a Kahoot game right from your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.